Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the online classes. Today we are going to study. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the online classes. Today we are going to study sentences for class 6. It is chapter 1. This class is being conducted by Ms. Tripti
Now
Sharma.
let's talk about a sentence. A sentence is a group of words that makes a sense. Or you can say a sentence is a group of words that gives a complete and correct thought. For example, Sambhav is going to play. But if these words get jumbled like going is Sambhav to play, here same words are used, but they together make no sense. Hence, this is not an example of sentence. It means in a sentence, words must be well arranged. It must give a meaning, a correct thought. Now let's talk about fragment. A fragment is a group of words that does not express a complete thought. For example, in the morning. Now you may get a doubt. What is the difference between a fragment and a sentence when both are the group of words? The difference is a fragment, that is a group of words, it does not express complete thought, whereas a sentence expresses complete thought. Sentences are of four types: declarative sentences, exclamatory sentences, interrogative sentences, and imperative sentences. A declarative sentence is also known as a statement or an assertive sentence. It gives a statement. A declarative sentence gives basic information. It expresses an opinion also. We put a period at the end of the sentence. Period means full stop. For example, Palak is a student. It is a statement. So it is called a declarative sentence also. Now let's talk about exclamatory or exclamation sentences. An exclamatory sentence is a sentence that expresses our strong and sudden feelings or emotions. It expresses the emotions of joy, sorrow, disbelief, etc. An exclamatory sentence always ends with an exclamation mark. For example, what a shame! Let's study about interrogative sentences. An interrogative sentence is a sentence that asks question. It means an interrogative sentence is a question. As it is a question, obviously it always ends with a question mark. For example, what are you doing? Where is he going? How do you do? Etc. The words like how many, which, etc. are used to make questions. Some interrogative sentences begin with helping verbs or auxiliary verbs like do you eat fruit? Imperative sentence or command sentence. An imperative sentence is a sentence that is a command. Imperative sentences express requests and suggestions also. It ends with a full stop or period. For example, go to your room, sit quietly, do your work, etc. Now let's take on a quiz. First exercise is read the sentences given here and then decide their types. So children, some sentences are there on the screen. First sentence is take out the trash. Second one, I saw a shooting star. My house is just around the corner. Can you help me with this problem? That dress is gorgeous. Will the teacher be late? Now let's take on a quiz. First exercise is read the sentences given here and then decide their types. So children, some sentences are there on the screen. First sentence is take out the trash. Second one, I saw a shooting star. My house is just around the corner. Can you help me with this problem? That dress is gorgeous. Will the teacher be late?
Now look at the second exercise.
Brush your teeth twice a day daily.
You can see some multiple choice
I wrote
questions
an essay
on your screen.
Fight against
The first question
coronavirus.
is, which type of
What
sentence
a cute
must
pet
end
it
with a
is.
question mark? Interrogative,
Who scored
imperative
a goal?
or exclamatory sentence?
My daughter loves
Second
eating
question,
cake.
a sentence
That
that
play
is
was
used to give
exciting.
someone an order or a
Keep
command
walking.
is an.
I
The
share
options
my lunch
are
with my classmates.
declarative, imperative or interrogative sentence. Third question, an exclamatory sentence usually ends with a. The options are question mark, exclamation mark or period. The fourth question is, in the fourth question you have to identify the kind of the sentence, and the sentence is, please leave your footwear outside. And the options are exclamatory sentence, imperative sentence and interrogative sentence. And the last exercise is to match the columns, column A with column B. I hope you all understood the chapter. Take care. Goodbye.